So ladies and gentlemen, right now, you know what I mean, it's a different vlog. It's a next vlog. Well, me always do that, and this is not really a vlog. Today we do a Q&A, you know what I mean, we have a whole heap of questions. Me never do one of them here before. Never ever do one of them here before. So me just gonna do it because from where me asking you some questions on Instagram, me have all the questions them right there. So what me gonna do is me just answer them in the video. Yeah, that we do. First question. Do you want kids with Danielle? Of course. 100%. That shouldn't even be a question. Why would I even deal with her if me not pre-kids and marriage and life and future and all of them something? Me never would have deal with a girl if the girl they can't have picnic for me. Or me and her can't get married. And when me say that, me mean me not gonna deal with a girl where me know some want picnic and she no want picnic, or me know some want get married at a point in life and she no want do it. It just never would have work, you know what I mean? So me feel like if she never want picnic and me want picnic, I couldn't do that to myself for deal with her knowing say me want raise kids and I know for her lifestyle that. So yeah, she want picnic, me want picnic, so obviously soon, you know what I mean? Well, me not sure about soon, but that's something where I got some point in life. Yeah. And she just texts me like, well, he say, oh, you and D meet. The question there, me never, a whole heap of time when I ask me that, but what me I gonna do is me I gonna answer that when she there. Me and her gonna sit down and we do a video. We just gonna make a whole vlog. Yeah, we just gonna make a whole vlog and me gonna answer the question there, she gonna answer the question there. You know what I mean? From different point of view and how everything was for her and how everything was for me. I just doing one entire vlog for that, so stay tuned. Somebody say your girl pregnant for real? No. Where wanna get that from? Yo, who want me breed her though? Who well want me breed her though? Big up on yourself. Why we never see you a drive before and everyone else always driving? Could we hang out? I mean, if you're cool, if you're lit, if you want to be a part of the vlog, if you want to come cook with me, of course we can hang out, you know what I mean? I mean, only, you know, I'm a G, of course. I go try to do that. I go pick a month. Probably every month I pick a day and I just hang out with one and one. I just hang out with one and one for the day, and we just do bathing. We chef it up in the morning, we cook in the afternoon, we cook in the evening, and we touch road. And if the party are going, we forward with, you know, forward with we, and yeah, me I go do that. That sounds like a great idea. Every month me pick one fan and me just hang out with them and just vlog with them, you know, for the experience, phone and all of them something and see what it is. You know what I mean? It's a great idea. Me just come up with that. Me I go copyright it. Alright, I just bought one of the Jamaican chains. Can I bring it near water? I mean, me know which part I buy mine. Me not sure which part you buy yours. Some of them real, some of them are fashion jewelry. So you personally have to know which part you buy yours. You can't ask me the question, yeah. You have to ask the person them where you buy it from. You know what I mean? Because I see some of them. Some people are sell it expensive, some people are sell it cheap. Most people not like buy expensive thing. Most people like buy cheap stuff. What if a time I love buy cheap stuff, but me know what to buy expensive. You know what I mean? So yeah, you have to go to them and ask wherever you buy it from if you can bring it near water. You're not prank back Chabas soon, very soon. Chabas will go watch this, so not soon, no time soon, nope, not prank back Chabas, never. Can give me a shout out. If me give a shout out, no, everybody I go want a shout out. And me love everybody, so me can't give everybody a shout out, so therefore me can't give a shout out. But see your name the right this above your question, so that kinda count as a shout out. Yeah. Now see no merch or any type of stop you there. At the end of the video them, the merch them did it. Well, the thing was, the people them asked me the question here before I actually put out the video, show the merch. So yeah, and I think I actually send the person here the video there before I put it out. So them are the first person say that. The person who asked me about the merch, them are the first person I send it to. So yeah, merch in the bio. Just scroll down, I wanna see it, be a thing. Big up my G's merch, support it. What's your vision for 2020? My vision for 2020 is just stay focused, vibes more with Uno. Yeah, basically that's it. Certain things me not go set on, you know what I mean? Certain things that just me know it and me have to hold it and me have to just achieve it and Uno go see it. So it's just certain things me just can't talk about. But yeah, my vision day of 2020 and although my glasses. Trying to be a pescatarian this year, how did you deal with it? And the temptation of eating meat. First of all, why me not eat meat? Me never had a temptation to eat meat.
Dude, a meat patty is something.
Why? Burn up. I won't even classify myself as a pescatarian or a vegetarian or a vegan and everything. And I swear to you, I soon start consuming back meat because I get too skinny. I soon start consuming back meat. I start consuming back rice already, but I swear to you, I soon start consuming back meat. I miss oxtail too much, way too much. I just do it just for lose little weight, and now I lose the weight. I go consume back meat. But I not go do it. I go do it in a small portion and I go cook it healthy. You know what I mean? So yeah, I not do no chicken with upon steroids. If I consume chicken, I consume the organic chicken from Publix and in places. You know what I mean? So yeah. Temptation though, you have to just make up your mind. That's the only way you can fight the temptation. You have to want it, and you have to want it more than you want to consume meat. You know what I mean? If you want to lose weight, you have to make the sacrifice to know say yo, you just have to eat better. You know what I mean? So you just want to lose weight, want to eat meat. You know what I mean? If you want to eat meat, you gotta always eat meat and weight there so you're not gonna lose no weight. If you want to lose weight, you gotta up yourself meat there so you want to lose weight more. So yeah, it just depends on how much you want it, basically. How do you feel about the World War III? Me not feel nothing about that. What was the age when you lost your virginity? You see, if it was a girl asked me that, I would have answered it. But it's a man asked me that. Blue face. Something wrong with your brother? Me not answer that. Oh, me never see her drive it. Very good question. Next. Would you ever leave Florida? Definitely, 100%. Me definitely not live the rest of my life in Florida. It's impossible. No. Me not live my life in Florida, so yeah, I would definitely leave Florida. There's only 2 places really where well, 3 places where my ideal location to live out the rest of my life. You know what I mean? Number 1 is Jamaica, number 2 is New York, and number 3 is Canada. Them not in a no order. Me just say number 1, number 2, and number 3 if you wanna get the drift. But New York, Canada, or Jamaica. One of them places I'm gonna live for the rest of my life, or me just have a house everywhere. Like how me have a place in New York and then me have Yasso. Yeah. Who has the best chopped cheese? Chris. You know say Mount Vernon have the best chopped cheese. New York have the best chopped cheese. Me not think nowhere else sell chopped cheese. Who don't know chopped cheese? Chopped cheese is basically, you see when you buy a burger, them just cut up everything in a one and just put it on a roll or a hero. You know what I mean? So big up all of my New York people, everybody who know chopped cheese. What if people are gonna be like, what the hell is a chopped cheese? But chopped cheese I bought this. New York have the best chopped cheese, Mount Vernon. When you are gonna pop the question, you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years pertaining to comedy and our vlog, our blog. You say blog, but me know a vlog yet. Superstar level. Me supposed to in a 10 years, in a 5 to 10 years, me supposed to direct some of the biggest movie we wanna go watch. Me supposed to do some of the best short film we wanna watch. And my vlog them supposed to be some of the best vlog them on YouTube, 100%, and I swear it. Yeah. Do you plan to get married? 100%. Definitely 100%. You know what I mean? Of course, more the whole of my best man them that my wedding, more invite couple I can't invite the whole of because you know only they all over the world and spread out. But me I go invite couple of because me I go vlog my wedding. me definitely I go vlog my wedding. And me not put it out for no sale or nothing. My wedding I go there on YouTube where you can watch my entire wedding. So who me can invite to my wedding, me invite you to my wedding through the vlog. Yeah. But yeah, me definitely would want to get married at some point in life, of course. What's your most memorable moment since living in Florida? Me not gonna lie to you, no. Me have wholly every day is a moment of Florida where me always gonna remember for life. You know what I mean? And that's just the type of life that me live every day. But the most memorable moment since me to Florida, it have to be when me fly off for the bike. We're up on a 4-wheeler, me a race Jake and me fly through the bush and fly off for the. Me never got talk about it. Me just gonna insert the clip right now for you to see it.
I've seen the footage.
Alright, the person here say, how long you talking to Bay? Can you please, alright, shout out, big up your channel, see it there. Me I go put it up here so on the see it. Me and Nara talk for 2.5 years now. 2.5 years now. Yeah. And it seems like we're there for around 10 years now. You know what I mean? It seems like we're there together. It seems like we're there together way longer than 2.5 years now. I'm my best friend, you know what I mean? So yeah. When you do a next song, right now I have probably 5-4. Me have 5-4 song right now, unreleased record. What we are gonna do the video and just drop the song and the video together. You know, so I shouldn't even come right as I come do the video because the whole feel over this and I see be people. So my eyes them, me even focus on the camera, me I talk to them, me focus I talk to them, but me just watch be people I walk. So I might see me just look all over the place. But yeah. Me have a couple songs, me I drop. Look out for 2 songs this month. If I know this month, me I drop a song, probably drop a song early next month. But yeah, definitely, me have a couple songs in the works one you can look out for. Some of you now watch Trabas live, so I hear him play them a couple times. So yeah. When's the next tour time? The next tour time I forward soon. Me not like do too much story time so them get boring. Me like mix up the channel. And that's why the channel name FamousSosick. If you notice, me no label none of my things them like me no number no vlog like number 1, number 2, number 3 because the channel is just everything famous. Everything me do go depend on this. So that's why when you see reaction, when you see Q&A, when you see me I do my girl makeup, when you see me I cook, when you see me I fish, whatever me do I go depend on the channel. So yeah. When are you coming back to Jamaica? Soon. Hopefully January, February, March. Feeling the works right now. March are the plan for right now. What's your favorite struggle food? My favorite struggle food, and this is the last question. My favorite struggle food. When you say struggle food now, my favorite struggle food, yo, me even want to say certain things because I probably say something when that somebody live on every day. So they must say, yo, Famous, you hype because look what your struggle food. That can be a struggle food, but my favorite struggle food really, as me say, it have to be egg and bread. Yeah, egg and bread. Regular fried egg and bread. A struggle food that me no matter what everybody say. Me love consume that. Me love it. Me love it. When me that Jamaica and I go to school like that, me consume every morning I go to school. You know what I mean? And it's not really a struggle food because it's a regular food, but that's my struggle food. Yeah. So blessings and respect. Me I go do more already, me. So you can ask me what more questions. Me I go do a next Q&A for Instagram. Una follow me on Instagram, FamousSosick. Follow me on Instagram. Big up on yourself. Soon in the next video. Me I go have a vlog for now morning. Well, tomorrow evening. Yeah, uppity, no pity, mad move.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any big up my G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Uppity, no pity.